Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get student discount on Turkish Airlines. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your browser, type in Turkish Airlines student discount in the search bar for you to get this particular search result, which is simply the student flight ticket discount. Now go ahead, tap on it for the further information. Now right over here you will find this kind of information. I'm going to be rejecting the cookies for now. Now over here you can see discount advantage up to 20% discount on domestic flights and 50% on international transit and 20% on flight between Turkey. And then 40 kg on the luggage and baggages, one-time free ticket change, right, for international 25% more. Like you can see, you have 5 main support and the advantages for that. And now you can see how you will be able to get the advantages. Simply creating yourself an account, verify student status whether you're a student or not, and then purchase your advantageous ticket. Now you can see we have simply sign up as in the bottom. We're gonna sign up, we're gonna verify, and then we're simply gonna book our ticket, and that is simply it. The tricky part can be for you to provide legitimate information for your verifying process. Otherwise, this is it. Hope this video helped, and thank you so much for watching our video. I'll see you guys in our next video.